Mom and Dad, I'm glad you found each other then. I'm glad it was Samoa and its beauty helped love begin. I bet the stars on evening walks made it easy to fall in love. From the swaying palms to the ocean's moon, singing together a familiar tune. Thank you to Samoan stars that lit the skies at night. Thank you to Samoan shores that bring the morning tide. Thank you to Samoan songs that we still sing and love. Thank you, Samoa, for loving us. Thank you, Samoa, for loving us. Ewi na telephetu ole langi, mai afo I ole sami, ele mafayo na o tine aloha lofa moa ui aso uma o tumanga o telefangalo lawanga nuele masalo salo o te tau ave I aso uma o iloa lo o tau nunga. Thank you to Samoan stars that lit the skies at night. Thank you to Samoan shores that bring the morning tide. Thank you to Samoan songs that we still sing and love. Thank you, Samoa, for loving us. Thank you to Samoan stars that lit the skies at night. Thank you to Samoan shores that bring the morning tide. Thank you to Samoan songs that we still sing and love. Thank you, Samoa, for loving us. Thank you, Samoa, for loving us.